Hey, this is Flo, and welcome back to the Advent of Packages. In today's episode, I will show you the Drops framework, and you can already see it in action here. Basically, it's a very tiny framework to show alerts similar to the ones that the system show you. For example, if you copied something to your clipboard or when you're connecting your AirPods or your Apple Pencil. As always, the link to the GitHub repository and thus also to the package is in the video description. And I have already imported it to this example project, but I have not done anything else. And I will just show you how easy it is to build a working example with this and how much you can actually customize in Drops. So first of all, of course, we need to import Drops. And then to show off the feature, we will just replace this text here with a simple button to show such an alert or such a drop. So let's just say show drop. And then inside of the action, you can do two things. So first of all, we need to construct a drop, basically passing it all of the data that we want to display, and then we need to show it. So the first part is let's construct one. So let's say let drop equals a drop, and you can see there are a lot of different attributes that you can specify here. We will just do a very simple one, but of course you can look into this further and try out all of the different possibilities. So let's give this a title of Hello World. We don't need the title number of lines. And let's give it also a subtitle of an intro to the Drops package. We don't need the number of lines here either, but what we want is an icon. So let's create a, oops, what happened there? So let's create a system image with the name of house, for example. That should be pretty easy. And then the rest here we don't need for this example, but you can of course customize it. So you can give him some accessibility properties, specify a duration, a position, an action, and so on and so on. So there's really a lot to customize here. For now, this should be good just to show off the feature. And then what you need to do is just say drops.show and pass in your drop. There's also a second overload of the show method, where you can just say show and then put in a string if you just want to show a single string as your title, basically. Okay, let's run this and see how it looks. Okay, so now we have our show drop button here. Let's click on it. Then you will see the drop will transition in from the top, stay for a little while, and then leave again. And you can also swipe to dismiss if you want that. So yeah, basically that's it in this little episode. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I think this is a very usable package that makes sense in a lot of your apps, just to have that system feel to your in-app notifications, basically. If you do enjoy this series, then please subscribe to the channel, because there are plenty of videos in the playlist that you can then watch. Alright, that's it. I will see you in the next one.